idea. Yes, so that means this paragraph B is about storm cells. That's the heading. And you can find it, the word, the topic is the topic in the first sentence. That's the technique. Like paragraph C, you can find the word spring storms in the first sentence.
Actually, no need to think, just to find the word.
Yes, this is the technique.
I try to read and think.
You don't have to read. You have to find the words. And you can find, these are keywords. You can find the words in the first sentence only. You cannot find the word spring in other first sentences of the paragraph. You cannot find causes of lightning in the other first sentences. Also storm cells only here. Like regions, storm in Europe. The technique to find the heading of this is called the headings of the paragraph. The heading means the topic and the main idea. If you are asked, what is the heading of the paragraph? That means the topic and the main idea. So if you want to know the heading of the paragraph, the technique is the first sentence. Yeah, of the body paragraph. Okay? But usually the first sentence. But for the introduction, you'll find in the first, sometimes at the end. Alright? And this is only with the words that you can find. You don't have to understand. You get me? So the heading of the paragraph, which is usually the topic and the main idea, is usually the first sentence. And the word in the heading is also found in the first sentence only. You cannot find the word spring in here. You cannot find the word storm cells here, only in this. That's a technique. Alright? Let's practice this technique now. It's a very long text, but you can answer this in 2 minutes.
Which question?
Yes, without reading. I will teach you how to answer without reading. Using this technique that you studied.
Skimming on.
Yes. You know now. You know this technique, right? Okay. Where can you find the answer?
First sentence.
Alright. And the word that you should find. Alright. Now look. Skim its paragraph and choose the most suitable heading from the box below. Meaning, what is the heading of this paragraph? This is the title, this is the subtitle or subheading. This is the introduction. This is the body paragraphs. This is the conclusion. What we find in the conclusion?
We find the future, opinions, and
prediction, solutions. Alright. Now,
future plan.
I'll give you a technique which you don't need to read very much. You don't need to. So let us first read that. A chance discovery. Chance is the keyword. You have to find the meaning, the word, or the meaning of the word chance in the first sentence only. Stronger materials for heavier traffic. Look for this. The first development after the Romans. Roman road technology. Roman road. A new observation. These are keywords. The keywords can be the same word. Can be synonym, meaning, or related structure. A road material for the future. So which paragraph for the future? Which paragraph you can find? I'm asking you, Said, now.
In the conclusion.
Right, where's the conclusion?
Here, this.
Number
9.
So this is number 9. You see? Yeah. You answer the question without reading. Alright. Understand? Structural material, structural. Look for this word. Varieties of blacktop material. Roman principles, relevant today. Roman principles and today. These are the words that you have to find in the first sentence only. If you can't find these words or the meaning of these words or the related structure, then that is the answer. Alright? That paragraph. Now, but in the introduction, you first check with the first sentence. If you cannot find these words in the first sentence, go to the last sentence. Alright? Because first and last, like this, the first and the last gives the answer. In the other paragraphs, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go to the present tense. Or like Roman roads.
This one.
So this is number 2. Like that only. Did you read?
No.
No. Number 9, it's here. Future is future. See? Alright. Now answer 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Dad?